Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making this video for beginners. I would say the people who really want to start their investing journey. Because yesterday, I just made some introductory video. So today I will tell you like what's the difference between trading and investing. See, trading is like driving a car at the speed of 400. I must say, but I must say you really have to take very fast decisions when you trade. Because when you do any day trading, you trade currencies. Like you must know when to enter and when to exit. But it's not easy to do trading because you really need to have a lot of knowledge. I'm going to say trading is like making money in short term, making a lot of money within, let's say, 1 hour, 2 hour, or 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. But it's not easy to make money within this short span of time. For that, you really have to practice. If you need to make money within short time, you need to have a lot of knowledge. So that's why the trading is not for everybody. But you can learn. If you want to make money like within less time than you can learn. But now let's talk about people who don't have any idea about trading and investing, but they want to start investing. Even I made some videos on the YouTube, and I was getting some calls and messages. People were asking like they don't have any experience, so how can they start their journey? So this video is for those people who don't have any knowledge, who don't have any prior knowledge of investing and trading. So if you are like beginner, if you don't have any experience in this field, then today we will talk about few things. I would say today we'll talk about S&P 500. I would say this is the thing from where you can start your investing journey. Because if you directly go into stocks, let's say if you directly invest in some kind of stock, what happens? You don't have the knowledge, you don't have experience. Then what could happen, like if the stock goes down, you might lose some money, because sometimes stocks go up very fast. If and when they fall, they do fall very fast. And when they fall at that time, you can lose a lot of money if you don't have experience, if you don't have the knowledge. That's why now I will tell you about like what is S&P 500. So if you want to start your investing journey, you can start your investing journey from S&P 500. So let's see, what is S&P 500? Even actually S&P 500 is the index. S&P 500 is an index which tells about the US economy. If the S&P 500 is going up, it means the US economy is in good condition. If it goes down, it means the US economy is not good condition, because S&P 500 shows about, like tells us how top 500 companies in the US performs. If those companies are performing well, then S&P 500 goes up. If those 500 companies don't perform very good, then S&P 500 goes down. So let's uh, ask Chat GPT, what is S&P 500? So let's ask Chat GPT. What's S&P 500? Yeah, man, this is artificial intelligence. It is telling us everything. Yeah, you can read on my screen. It says that S&P 500 is a Standard and Poor 500 is a stock market. It's a stock market index that measures the performance of 500 large publicly traded companies listed on stock exchanges in the USA. So I have already told you, like, this is the index which tells about the performance of top 500 companies which are listed in stock exchange in the United States. So I've already told you, like, this is the indicator of the US economy. If the US economy is good, then S&P 500 is good. It go up. If the US economy goes down, then the S&P 500 goes down. So the question is why I'm telling you about S&P 500, like why we should start from S&P 500. If we want to start our investing journey. Actually, the thing is, uh, this is very good for who want to start their trading journey or investing journey, because the investment in S&P 500 is risk free. I don't say risk free. Actually, the risk involved in S&P 500 investing is very, very low. No doubt it does go down, but sometimes, but it doesn't goes to zero, because if let's say you have invested some money and the S&P 500 falls to zero, then you will lose your money. But do you think, is it possible, like, for the top 500 companies which are listed in the US stock exchange, those companies will go bankrupt simultaneously? I don't think so. That's why you must invest. If you want to I'm going to say start your journey for investing, you must invest in S&P 500. So now the question is, should we start investing in S&P 500 right now? Is this a good time? So I don't know. So let's do the analysis, and I will do some analysis on the charts. Then you can decide by yourself whether you must invest in S&P 500, yes or not. So let's go on chart. Yeah, here. So here I'm on the trading view. As you can see, let's go on the monthly chart. As you can see in the monthly chart here, where my cursor is, from 2005, no doubt it went up, then it came down. From 2005, like, it's going, the market is an uptrend. Now you can see from here, no, not from 2005. Even you can see like from 1991. Or even you can see from 1975. In 1975, you can see here in 1975, the rate of the value of S&P 500 was 83. You can see on the right side here. Here it is, the value of, here you can see the values. But now in 2023, the S&P 500 is like 4,000. That's a lot of growth. So no doubt it went up. The investment in S&P 500 is very, very safe. It is going up, 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 up. And even like if you talk about the return is very slow. It might be like 10 on average. The S&P 500 gives a return of like 10 to 15% on average. But the thing is, the chances of losing money in S&P 500 are very, very low. No doubt it might come. Let's say you invest today, and let's say you invest $1,000 today in S&P 500. It might come down. Let's say the value of your investment goes to $900. But the thing is, it's very rare that it will go to zero. I mean, so you will not lose your money. But later on, if you keep your money in S&P 500, let's say for 1 year or 2 years, your money will definitely grow. Let's say today you have like $1,000, it might go to like 1,100, $1,300, $1,500, $2,000. Because this is kind of low risk investments. So as you have seen in the on the chart, like since 1975, the S&P 500 is going up and up. It means the US economy was performing very well. That's why it was going up. Now let's see, should we invest today? Yes or not? Is this the right time to invest? If we want to do investing today, should we invest today? So let's see what the chart says. As you can see on the chart, as you can see on the bottom, that today the date is, yeah, this is for monthly chart. So this is this candle represent, this one candle represent this month, May 2023. As you can see in what happened in 2022. From January 2022, the S&P 500 was falling. I'm going to say like for 1 year it was in downtrend. But since January 2023, the market started going up. Yeah, you can see the market came here, like from this point to this point, market came down. But after that, like, so not sorry, January 2023, from October 2022, the market started going up. So why it happened? So what was the reason? Like why did the market in January 2022 it came down? The reason was because the US government, like the Fed, they were increasing the interest rate. When the government increases the interest rate, at that time the value of US dollar goes up, and the other and the value of S&P 500s and the another stocks, that goes down. You might have seen, even like you can see the charts of other US stocks. You might have observed that all stocks were falling. The reason was because government was increasing the interest rate. When the interest rate goes up, the value of stocks goes down. So in 2022, the all stocks and S&P 500 were falling. But now, the Fed has increased the interest rate up to 5.25, the US government. But now like they're almost very close to pause. There is high possibility on the next Fed meeting, they won't increase the interest rate. So there's high possibility now the stock markets will start going up. Even you can see on the S&P 500 on the monthly chart, like market came down. Market can you can see on the right side, market came down to almost like 3600 or 30, yeah, almost close to 3600. And from October 2022, the market has started going up. So the question is, if we invest today, is there a probability that it will go up? So the answer is yes. If you invest today, there is high probability that market might go up to like 45 or 4800 points. Yeah, it might take time because we are on a monthly chart. It might take some time, but there's a high probability. Even if you invest today, market might come down, but after some time, there's a high possibility the market will go up. So let's do some technical analysis. Let's draw some trend lines. Here you can see like this. Sorry. See, this line is 3500, 35 or 36. This was the support, from here market came down, like from this point, from 4800 market came down to like 3600. From here it was a support, but market could not break this level, and from here it is bouncing back. And market is an uptrend right now. If we draw like, see, the market is an uptrend. And if we go on a weekly chart, yes, ma'am. So you can see it's like a wedge pattern. Whenever you see this falling wedge, there's a high possibility. You can see it's a wedge or flag, whatever you want to say, these are just the name of chart patterns. Market is, you can see, it's like a flag pattern. Now, see, market went up, then market, came down to this area up to 3600. Then after taking a support, it started going up again. So there's a high possibility market might, like right now market is at like 4100 or 4200. There's a high possibility market might go up to this level, like 4800. So if you invest today, so today the market is at like 4100, or you can say 4200. But if it goes to 4800, so that's like $600. Let's say you invest like almost like, let's say 4200 today, and might be within few months you can make $600. But it might take some, it might take like few months, might be 2 months, 4 months, or 5 months, might be 1 year. But the thing is, the chances of losing money are very, very low. No doubt you can lose money. You don't trust me, like I'm doing my analysis. You should do your own analysis too before you invest, right? Do your own research. I might be wrong, because never trust anybody blindly, because this is what I have seen on the chart. That's why I'm doing this kind of analysis. So if you are just a beginner, you can put some money. You don't need to put like $4,000 or $5,000. You can put like, let's say $500, $1,000. I'm going to say the money which you are willing to lose. Guys, this is the first rule of investing. Whenever you invest in anything, just forget about that money. Never expect any kind of return from any kind of your investment, because you never know. Anything can happen anytime. Even our life is also risky. Today we are alive. It might possible that tomorrow we are, we might not be on this earth. So same thing could happen in the investments too. Yeah. So you must be willing to lose money. Yeah, you can invest right now, but it might come, let's say before it goes up. Right now, because the market is at kind of support area, sorry, resistance level. If the market breaks this resistance level, there's a high possibility that the market will go up to 4,800 points. So let's see, if we invest like $4,200, and if the market goes up to 4,800 points, how much interest rate of return we will be earning on this. So let's do some calculations. Let's say here you can see the market goes like 4,800 minus 42, that's $600 divided by 42 into 100. That's like, guys, that's 14% return on your investments. If you invest like 4,200 and you make like you make like $600 on that, and your investment goes to 4,800, you invest 42 and your investment goes to 48, then that's like 14% return. And I think it's very hard to get the 14% return, um outside. If you go to banks, they don't give you, I think they don't have any kind of products which will pay you like 14% return. 14% is a lot of money. Even if you invest in real estate, it's very hard to get this kind of return. If you invest in gold, it's very hard. If you do FDs, like fixed deposit, I don't think so. So if you're a beginner, you can start your investing journey from S&P 500, because this is very, very safe investment, for beginners. So yeah, even I have done the chart analysis. The market came in January 2022, the market was at close to 4,800. Then it came down to 3,600. From there, it takes the support, but the market couldn't break that level, and it started going up. There's a but before it goes up, because market is at this level, and because it looks very hard for the market to break this level. But if you want to invest, you can invest, because there's a high possibility it will go up. But before it goes up, it might come down. Let's see on the daily analysis. Because market hasn't broken this level. If the market breaks this level, there's a high possibility that the market will continue its upward journey. Yeah. So even, let's say you invest today, market comes down, just forget about that money, because there's a very rare possibility that your money will go zero. It won't go, it will never go, it will never become zero. Because if your money becomes zero in S&P 500, it means the US economy has been crashed. But do you think it will happen that the US economy will crash today? I don't think so. I don't think so that US economy will crash, because US is a superpower, and the big companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, Tesla, they are all from the USA. Do you think these companies will, the companies which are ruling the world, do you think like these companies will crash within a day or within a few months? I don't think so. That's why the S&P 500 is very, very safe investment. And that's why I made this video. If you're just a beginner, you don't have any knowledge of trading and investing, you can, without any lot of study research, you can simply start your investing in the S&P 500. Even I have done the technical analysis too. Here you can see the market is an uptrend. This is here. So even you can see here, market comes to this level up to like 4,200. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch, and the fourth touch. Even like market was not able to break this level. But now I have seen so many times when the market, goes at one point, like when the market reaches at one point around 4 or 5 times, and there is a high possibility, like in the 5th or 6th attempt, it breaks the level. If it breaks the level, then there's a high possibility that the market will shoot, and it can go up to 4,800 like within few months or within 1 or 2 years. So let's say just go to, let the market goes to 4,800 like within 1 year, then that's like 14% return on your investment. So that's it, guys. So this is the analysis which I wanted to do for beginners who don't have knowledge and they want to make some money in the stock market, and yeah, and the indices. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions regarding, I'm going to say these kind of investment plans, you can write in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, so again, you can write in the comment section. I will answer those questions. So thanks for watching, and please do, if you have liked my video, so please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon, because I will be doing a lot of live analysis. So guys, this is a live analysis. Most of the time what happens, people start from here. What they do, like they will start from here, Okay, the market was here, from it went up. Market was here, from it went down. They never tell like market is here today. What will happen now? Like what's next? When you talk about the history, everybody knows the history, but nobody knows the future. Even I don't know the future, but I can just do some kind of analysis, and based on my analysis, I do take some kind of decisions. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have liked my video, so please like, comment, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next videos. And in my next videos I will be analyzing so many stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and you can even you should do your own analysis too. Before, don't just trust me because I might be wrong. So do your own analysis, and you can combine your analysis with my analysis. Then if you think you must invest, then you can start your investing journeys, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.